Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, showers and thunderstorms likely for this evening. The question is whether or not they'll be strong to borderline severe. Now, we have a severe thunderstorm watch till 10 o'clock, which means that some storms do have the potential to be severe, though it's the kind of situation where I don't think severe weather is statewide. It'll tend to be localized, but we are getting some rain and thunder. It is still off to our west on Doppler radar. You can see these areas of orange and red. Severe thunderstorm warning currently in the southern half of Connecticut right now. You can see the activity is tracking from southwest to northeast. Here's the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. A couple of random showers out ahead of it will clip northwest Rhode Island very shortly, but we're thinking the arrival time on this crossing the border around 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening, and thereafter out towards southeastern Massachusetts. So again, showers and thunder likely, but again, some of them locally may be strong to severe. Here's the current severe thunderstorm warning right now in the south central Connecticut. Have the lightning tracker turned on as well. If anything, I've noticed that some of the lightning strike count has diminished a little bit. So storms are moving east and northeast. So a stormy evening with some rain and thunder. And again, the window of opportunity on this is from roughly 7 o'clock this evening till about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. Some strong to severe. Wet Thursday. In fact, some of the heaviest rain, actually Tuesday, some of the heaviest rain on Tuesday with rain and thunder would be during the morning. I think letting up a little bit in the afternoon, but it's a much cooler and wet day. And then a nice stretch of weather kicks in from roughly Wednesday afternoon right on through the weekend. So we do have showers and rain in the forecast now through at least Tuesday. Temperatures after reaching 84 have slipped back to the upper 70s to around 80, 81. After the heat of this weekend, we're back down to, seasonable temperatures. Here's the wider view, and there's two areas of moisture, two areas of low pressure responsible for some of the rain and thunder on the way. This is number one. It is across eastern Pennsylvania right now. As this tracks north and east, kind of rings out the atmosphere with some showers and some thunderstorms. And then a second area of moisture further to the south, right in here. This arrives on Tuesday with another round of rain and thunder. Again, the heaviest being Tuesday morning, a little lighter by Tuesday afternoon. And then all this dry air across the Great Lakes and Northern Plains arriving by Wednesday, especially during the afternoon. Getting real close. We'll walk you through it hour by hour. Starting off at 7 o'clock this evening, you see the leading edge of the activity starting to work in. Blips of orange and red indicating some thunderstorms and some downpours. This is 9 o'clock in the evening. We'll look for the possibility. We've noticed this out in Connecticut that some thunderstorms have had some rotation, and that's usually a tip-off that there's some damaging wind, potentially, though the chance is very small, of an isolated tornado. It's a very, very small, low risk, but it is a chance, and that is something that we'll watch very closely. But again, the risk is not very high, but certainly one worth mentioning. By 11 o'clock midnight, we're still getting some precipitation, but the storms have pretty much weakened. And then overnight tonight through tomorrow morning, another round of rain. You see some areas of red and orange indicating some downpours and thunderstorms, especially along the south shore. This is 11 o'clock in the morning. It is a much cooler day. We're talking upper 60s to lower 70s for the afternoon high temperature. By tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, the atmosphere drying out, and this sets the stage for some pretty nice weather on Wednesday. But showers and storms coming in shortly in a couple of hours. Temperatures initially in the 70s. Rain and thunder heaviest during the morning. Temperature at around 68 degrees, and not much higher than the lower 70s tomorrow afternoon, though the showers should be lighter by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 71. 7-day forecast. We start to clear out by later Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon. Milder. How do you like this for the rest of the week and into the weekend? And what's nice, we're not talking heat index or 95 to 100. We're talking seasonable temperatures, though we do get a gradual warm up, so maybe a little above average by the weekend, but nothing too extreme with some sunshine and highs in the middle to upper 80s. So again, relatively quiet right now, but once we get closer to 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, some rain and some storms coming through.
All right, Tony, thanks. More